Hmm?
Ano yung ginagawa ni Daddy? Daddy, kinakagatan tapos nilalapa.
What are you playing na naman, anak eh? Ikaw ah. Like I'm the surface.
We're having a picnic here in a park. Where is this place? I don't know. Near the, excuse me, Mamluk Lanterns. Ano ba yan? Nag-zoom ba to?
What?
Ayan, Mamluk Lanterns.
Ano ka tawag dyan?
Yeah, Mamluk Lanterns. Which is what they said would be a gift. It's a gift from Imelda Marcos to the King of Saudi Arabia. And here is he's having chicken. You having fun? Oh, that's good. How about you, Noah? You having fun?
Yeah.
Having fun with your grapes?
Yeah.
It's apart.
And he's playing with it. Oh, so much.
Delicious.